After enjoying 4 beautiful days hiking the Cinque Terre, we're on our way to Florence, also known as Firenze in Italian. Florence sits in the heart of the Tuscany region. It is considered the birthplace of the Renaissance and is celebrated for its stunning architecture, breathtaking views, significant contributions to art and culture, a centre for Italian leather and craftsmanship, and of course, it's a key destination for delicious Tuscan cuisine. Florence was home to influential families like the Medici, who were patrons of the arts, and played a crucial role in fostering the Renaissance movement. This period, marked by profound cultural and artistic rebirth, saw the emergence of iconic artists such as Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael and Botticelli. Florence is a walkable city with charming narrow streets that wind through the historic centre. We're heading to one of the most iconic places, located in the heart of Florence, the Duomo, also known as the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. This Gothic, Romanesque and Renaissance masterpiece features an intricate marble facade, elaborate sculptures, and a distinctive red tile dome. Its construction began in the 13th century but wasn't completed until the 15th century. Right next to the Duomo is the baptistry of San Giovanni. A short walk from the Duomo, you will find the Basilica di San Lorenzo. With its origins from the 4th century, it is one of the oldest churches in Florence. The Medici chapel extensions were designed by Michelangelo. Another noteworthy church is Santa Maria Novella, constructed between the 13th and 15th century by several renowned architects and artists of the time. It blends Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Palazzo Vecchio translates into the Old Palace as a blend of medieval, Gothic, Romanesque and Renaissance styles. Construction began in the 13th century under the direction of Arnolfo di Cambio, who contributed to many iconic buildings in Florence, including the Duomo. It is located on the Piazza della Signoria that features several statues. The palace serves as a museum and town hall, and I also had the pleasure of attending my friend's beautiful wedding here. Florence offers a diverse range of shopping options, from trendy vintage stores, designer boutiques on Via dei Tornabuoni, to shops with historical treasures. You'll also come across stores that fuse retail and gastronomy within the same space. And some of Italy's finest leather stores. Florence's long-standing tradition of leather making is still visible throughout the city. Vibrant markets. Mercato Centrale is a personal favourite and a must-visit for food enthusiasts. On the ground floor, you'll find fresh ingredients and gourmet products. Upstairs, immerse yourself in a bustling food hall offering diverse cuisines where you can indulge in freshly prepared dishes. let's take a break to enjoy a drink and some amazing panoramic views of the landmarks from the rooftop terrace at the social hub Lavagnini location. This contemporary place offers accommodations, co-working spaces and dining facilities, along with a rooftop terrace that provides a fantastic platform for watching the sunset over the city. This city is not short of incredible museums, such as the Galileo Museum, Galleria dell'Accademia, and of course the famous Uffizi Gallery. Situated in the heart of the city, along the Arno River, the Uffizi Gallery was established in the 16th century and houses an extraordinary collection of masterpieces from the Italian Renaissance and beyond. The building itself is a work of art, with its decoration, the historical traces, and grand halls. Highlights include works by renowned artists such as Michelangelo, Da Vinci and Botticelli, including Botticelli's masterpieces The Birth of Venus and Primavera. On the first Sunday of every month, entry to the National Museums is free, although this also means long queues and lots of people. The upper floor houses a cafe and offers stunning views, including those of our next stop, the Ponte Vecchio. The Ponte Vecchio stretches across the Arno River and stands as Florence's oldest and most famous bridge. Its origins can be traced back to Roman times, with further modifications made during the 14th century and several alterations over the course of time. Commissioned by the Medici family, a secret corridor was constructed along the top of the bridge, providing a secure passage between Palazzo Vecchio, the Uffizi Gallery, and Palazzo Pitti. The bridge is lined with jewellery shops. In the evening, it transforms into a quieter destination, with fewer visitors, also a good time to visit. A stop for a quick ice cream, recommended by locals, before continuing on. If you're looking for a nice spot for brunch or coffee, Melaleuca Bakery and Bistro is a charming riverside venue, away from the busy tourist crowds. On the other side of the river, we'll find the Palazzo Pitti. This majestic, mainly Renaissance palace was originally built for Luca Pitti in the mid-15th century and was later expanded by the Medici family. Today, it houses several museums. Surrounding the palace are the Boboli gardens, which are also worth exploring. Numerous remnants of the old city walls can still be found here. Also located south of the river, Piazzale Michelangelo is a square that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Florence's iconic skyline and the surrounding Tuscan landscape. It's the perfect place to come for sunset. Here you'll also find the church of San Miniato al Monte, charming cafes, and the serene rose garden. At the base of the hill, you will find a shop dedicated to Florence's famous street artist, Clet, who became known for altering various street signs throughout the city. To experience traditional Florentine cuisine, visit Le Prendelone in the Old Tarano neighborhood. Close by, you will find a lively Piazza Santo Spirito, bustling with bars and restaurants that come to life in the evening. If you're up for an active day out and would like to discover more of Tuscany's countryside, head to the Convento di Monte in Valle, and hike your way back to Florence. This full-day activity offers a scenic journey through the Tuscan countryside, passing beautiful Italian villas and captivating landscapes along the way. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to join me on my visit to Pisa.